Thank you for your inquiry on our lovely 2016 Holden SV6 Black Edition. Just a quick video to show you the all-around condition of the car and to point out some of the features that you get on the Black Edition. Just walking around the car, all the paint on this car is in fantastic condition. Just going around the back here as well to give you an idea. There we go. Keyless entry, push button start, and also heads up display and blind spot monitoring come as standard on this vehicle. Really packed full of features. Satellite navigation, dual zone climate control, electric handbrake. Vehicle comes with 2 keys, push button start, full service history. It's done 61,000 kilometers. We've just done a service and a safety on this car. I'd love to show you this car and offer you a test drive. Please give me a call. Thank you.